two trades, one short and one long on Lucy, and eventually turned out to be the day that I almost slept in, turned out to be a really, really nice day. All right, good morning everybody. Welcome to another episode of Rich is Getting Richer. Apparently the market doesn't stop until the 1% owns everything. So everything is ripping higher again. IWM is up 1.5%, Qs are 1%, going back up to all-time high. As you see, SPY is really testing again another all-time high. Apparently another trend has started. As you know, I'm really heavy on IWM. That is still far from all-time high, but hopefully we get there. So we do have a lot of TNA, which is the leverage ETF for IWM, SPXL, leverage ETF for SPY, and I have covered calls on TNA and SPXL, so to get some stuff from them. But today I actually started really late. Unfortunately, I just couldn't wake up on time. In all honesty, I just woke up at 6:20. So quickly jumped into car, came to the office, and I saw that Lucid was really active, and was running up. It was running up for about 10-15 minutes and then sold off. Stock in that time was like a 6-7% up. Brian has a very famous trade book that is strongest stocks. The first touch of the VWAP is buying it, so I just bought that at 28.82, popped up all the way up to break of high of the day. I added also after it squeezed up, I added, and then it kind of consolidated again. I tried to trade it again to the long side, but I just didn't like it because I thought that the risk to reward wasn't there. But I wish I was staying here in that. It's just, again, I was not in the right mental state of mind, and as you see, the rest is history. So from 28 right now we're at 31, so it's just ripped higher. And I did one more short on it, which is a very, very dangerous trade. I really don't have a trade book on it. It was more like a gut feeling. Ayman has a really nice trade book for these, but I don't. He has to show, he gave a couple of presentation about these parabolic shorts as well. So, but break of 31, there was a huge ask, popped up, but it really didn't have enough momentum, so I shorted right at 31.10 and all the way up to below 30. That was a really, really nice short we got. Both Brian and Jared were also in the chat room with me, and then they took a 920 trade on the long side at the same time. So I was short, they did this 920 trade. So this on a, which it's famous trade book. We already had the presentation on that. You buy at the 20 moving average, you sell to at the 9 and above. For the break of high of the day. And as you see, Lucid is very, very strong. Lucid is a competitor to Tesla, and news came that they have now production and they're sending deliveries. So it's amazing. So if the Tesla has this potential, Lucid also might have if they run the company well. So that was it for me. Two trades, one short and one long on Lucid, and eventually turned out to be the day that I almost slept in. Turned out to be a really, really nice day. And on the swing side, as I mentioned earlier. So well, just that's it. I call it a day for me. We have the mentorship session at 11, guys, so take a quick 10 minutes break and then we'll start that. Brian, how was your day?
No, it was okay. I started out trying to take a rising devil trade on Futo. Did not work out, so I had to get out of that, but I was keeping an eye on DKNG. I was actually wasn't really in play, but I was watching it for a sell-off at the open based on some swing trade analysis, and got a really nice short on that one.
Wow, beautiful.
And so that was a good trade. And then, as you mentioned, the Lucid trade long with you on that, and then the 920 trade after. So overall, pretty good, pretty decent day.
Yeah, very nice. So Brian also did that VWAP up, and then he did the 920, and you also did the DBGI too. I remember that at the DBGI at the halt. Yeah,
got a little bit of a pop on that. Yeah, got held it through two halts, and then and then got out of it on the second halt, and it was a good thing it did.
Yeah, so that was a pretty good solid day. Thank you so much. Vancouver meetup, guys, December 3rd. If you want to come. We have the office, meetup, drinks, dinner, and then we have the EDM event after that if you want to go. If you want to get the culture of Vancouver, this is not an event that you go as a tourist. These are my friends, local DJs, and they throw this event, and they've done a couple of events in the past. It's really fun if you want to come. If you really want to go and see how the art of Vancouver it is. Anyways, so that's it, guys. And if you have any question, just comment on YouTube or email me, Andrew@rebeltraders.com. And Yeah, other than that, all the best, guys. Talk to you, see you in the mentorship session. If not, tomorrow in the chat.